Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply alternating colors to your table on Google Sheets mobile to make your table looks good. Right, yes, here I have prepared my table on my Google Sheets mobile, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the table. So we can tap and hold on the table, then we can select the table like this. Make sure that you select the whole part of your table. Then after we have selected the table, we can tap on this icon. Then you're going to tap on the cell option right here, and you have to scroll down until you find the alternating colors. This one, tap on the alternating colors, and you can select the color that you want to apply to your table. And I'm gonna go with this one. We can select the formatting style or the color right here. Tap on the color that you want to apply, and now as you can see that the alternating colors has been applied to my table. And if you want to remove this alternating colors from your table, you can simply tap on this remove option. And alright, yes, that's how we can apply alternating colors to our table on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.